award in France, and they're going to win tomorrow in Chicago. They're going to win the Chicago International Film Festival. I myself, because they're so little, I'm so scared from them, so I don't know what they're going to do to me tomorrow or anything. But
مساء الخير عليكم. مبسوطة إن إحنا معاكم النهارده. أنا هتكلم عربي صعيدي فده عشان أبقى بسيطة ومرتاحة يعني في الكلام. أنا يوستينا سمير، مؤسسة فريق بانوراما برشا، والبنات فريق بانوراما برشا، وهو فريق مسرح شارع في الصعيد في قرية البرشا. هو أول فريق مسرح شارع. إحنا بدأنا من 13 سنة. كانت فكرتنا كلها إن إحنا في قرية البنات ما بتعرفش تتكلم، ما بتعرفش تاخد حاجها، في مشاكل كتير احنا متعرضين لها زي تحرش، ختان، زواج مبكر، ومفيش مكان ان احنا نعبر فيه عن رأينا وعن احلامنا. فاحنا كلنا بنحب الفن ومن احنا صغيرين في المسرح الكنسي، فبالتالي حبينا الفن اكتر وكده، فلقينا الطريقه اللي نعبر عنها هي الفن. والفن في الشارع للناس البسيطه، يعني مش رايحين في اماكن مجفله والناس ما تجيلناش، لا احنا في الشارع اي حد معدي بيشوفنا، معدي بالموتوسيكل باي وسيله كده هو واقف يشوفنا ويشوف العرض ويمشي. فده كان حاسين ان ده اللي هيعمل تاثير وتغيير. وبدانا بالفعل في 2014 كان اول عرض لينا كان اسمه محكمه القريه، وده كان عرض احنا كنا بنحاكم القريه على اللي احنا وصلنا له، مش القريه اللي بتحاكمنا. يعني طول الوقت القريه اللي بتحاكم، بس احنا وصلنا لمرحله ان احنا اللي هنحاكم القريه، ان احنا مش لاقيين نفس نتنفس، مش عارفين نعيش، البنات مكبوته، مش عارفه تحلم، كل احلامها حتى الحلم مش عارفه تنام. فعشان كده قررنا ان احنا نحكم القريه مش القريه اللي بتحاكمنا. وده كان اول عرض. تعرضنا طبعا لحاجات كتيره زي تحرش، زي اهانات، زي تريقه، زي يعني حاجات كتيره تعرضنا ليها، زي ضرب. فتعرضنا لحاجات كتيره يعني، بس احنا اصرينا ان احنا نكمل لان احنا حابين ده، وحابين ان احنا نكون البنات يكون لها صوت في الصعيد، وان احنا نغير في الصعيد. وعشان كده بعد 14 سنه الحمد لله تعودنا من ربنا ان يبقى في فيلم رفعت عيني للسما توثيق للفريق، وهو ياخد جايزه العين الذهبيه في مهرجان كان. فده تعودنا من ربنا.
They put the city on trial for the persecutions that they had to endure without having a voice for themselves and for the performing arts. So they actually had to endure much difficulty in going through this. And what began as street performers and something within the church very small grew and got more of a following from the city, and the dream actually went to a reality, became reality with the movie itself here. So that's a pretty amazing story. The translation doesn't do it justice, but I wanted to give you guys a little bit of a flavor for the ones who don't speak Arabic.
Generally, how all Egyptians, they treat Said as a second place, and people in Cairo, they think that they became agent for Egypt. Now they came and said, no, we're here. This is us. This is not right. Second thing, it's a very important thing for us as Christian and Copts, because there was very bad, or I think that the wrong feeling that art, it is, except art inside the church, art outside the church, haram. I think many of us practice that. I think my family, I have two very talented painters, and all the time they told them, you have to be doctor, muhandis, you can't do that. Acting and singing is almost not allowed. We in our church here, we have voices. If they go out of the church, عندنا Uncle Atif Mawad, Atif Mahar, Abuna Sumil, I think they can be in any opera house thing, have beautiful voices, But since they were little, you can't go outside the church. So these girls went out of the church, showed their art outside, and showed that it is good to go compete in Egypt. You don't do it only in the church, because they're part of the country. And I want to tell you something about the Minya. Minya has so much talent. So, in all art, like now there's Sanaa Jamil was from Minya. Many artists came from the Minya because it has in their blood there is something called the Pharaoh's gene, which nobody did art as the old Egyptians. So we have to learn from these girls, and especially for the parents and little guys, the one in the back. If you have any art talent, don't stop. Continue to learn and explore your art, and have this as an example for you that you don't stop. Rami Malek, he's a Coptic like us, and he explored his acting, and he won the Oscar, and he was ahead of everybody else. So, for parents here, don't depress your kids' art, and for the kids in the back, don't listen to anyone. You can be a doctor and you can go to the art too, and depress your art. And these little girls, they showed us, don't give, and you can reach anything if you decide. So I just want to tell this, that this is what we learned from these girls.